Hello, this video is suggested by alarmy. Hey, what is up, guys? I wanted to show alarmy that I actually got that toolkit. We got up in a comment thing. I watched one of his videos and I said, oh my god, I have that freaking same toolkit. Exact same toolkit. And then he said, really? I said, yeah. Y-E-E-E-E-E-E-E-E-Y-A-A-A-A-A-A-A-A-A-A-A-A-S. So he replied, then do a video. But it was gonna take a while for editing, like jump cuts. So yeah, and like, well, I know I'm not editing now as I'm recording this video, but I've already edited as you are watching. So there's some of my tools in there. I just showed you, and here's the actual kit. Sadly, I lost a few pieces, but it's not like this house is a mansion. I can find them. It's easy fix. It's not the end of the world, but so yeah, that's basically it. Well, I just wanted to, and also I have the same device too. It's a 270 ASPO, which was also shown in one of his videos. So basically, I use this screwdriver sometimes to open it when it's mounted, and I can't. And also, a cool thing I did is I made it spring-loaded. Look, you can see the spring in there if I zoom in slowly so it doesn't get blurry. Kids, there you go. Hold on, maybe I need to pull it down a little bit. No, that blocks it. Okay, you know what? Screw it. Just see the inside. There's the spring right there. Right there. Do you not see it? It's right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. It's right there. In front of you. That metal thing right there. Just right there. Not the metal. Not this background behind you. Right there. There it is, right there. That's the spring. Well, it's easy to disconnect. It failed just now. So easy fix. Not the end of the world. So I have different screwdrivers too, just like him, exactly like him. So see, prove it spring loaded. Look, it springs back up a little bit, just like the Simplex T-bar. And the early generation, and the very early generation of the RSG T-bar. Because that was spring-loaded, the first generation. So yeah, and I use this one right here to unlock my Faraday chevron. I can key activate it. But anyways, I'm getting too off track. Let's show some more tools. I really hope the comments don't get turned off on this video. Please, as I always say, YouTube, please do not turn the comments off. I'm begging you. Can I get one thing? Sure, I'm young, but I don't get offended easily. I get a rude comment on my video. Not a big deal. I just report it. I just report it. That's all I do. Then, or sometimes I just leave it there. It's no big deal. Oh, and I also converted this to single action. So So I gotta be quiet and keep low light because my dad's sleeping. As you can hear, he's a loud sleeper. Some people in different countries sometimes call and complain about the noise. Of course, it's in a different language that you can't understand, but here's some more. Where is it at? There it is. See, there's some more there. If you can see that. Oh, and also this is handy for unlocking my door when I sometimes lock it on accident. Stupid me. Sometimes. This might be J10. So here's another thing that also comes in handy for unlocking my Faraday chevron. Woo! I'm not scared. I'm just making those sounds. I'm getting too distracted. Sorry. And yes, I do have my headphones on. So I can't really hear what my own self is doing. I can't even hear what I'm doing, but I know what I'm saying, but though. So yeah, here it is. Like, see, this one does, because they're basically the same size. Well, almost the same size. I think this, yeah, they're the same size. Although this one is a little bit smaller, but it still fits. Just like a teeny weeny bit smaller. So, pull it down and frick. Okay, there's a freaking, so yeah. And here's my glass knocker just for fun, for my, if I could, I would like do some Legos that I, sadly lost, that could go in here, I could, like, but it's still you get the point. It should go like that. Hold on, I'll try to hook it up. I know I'm off track, but it's just for a minute. I know you can't really see what I'm doing, but yeah. I know you might not be able to see me, but I'm not trying. Supposed to do like that, as you can see. I'm gonna end up just breaking my simplex T-bar even more, because this thing is useless. You know why? Well, it's not useless, but the plastic breaks easily. It's cheap. This plastic is useless. Don't make things. I'm not saying it's the worst thing you've ever done, but simplex, at least just start making the 425120s. Well, or at least make these, but with the same plastic, the better kind, the older, better kind that you used for the 425120s. It wasn't so cheap. It doesn't break easily. Because see, the hinge that you made right here, simplex, it comes off. Because It's cheap plastic. See, it's broken a lot, and this hinge is almost broken too. What am I gonna do then? I can't even put it back on. Every time it's just gonna be plop. I'll have to hold it all the time, and that will aggravate my hand. I don't want to do that. So, at least start making the 425120s again. Please, Simplex. Just please, okay? Because they break easily. And the modern ones you have today, the break glass ones, someone could end up being a little too strong and end up breaking something on here with the glass knocker. Like that could end up breaking when someone does that. Deserves it. It's crap, Simplex. Why does this even exist? I mean, not saying it's horrible, not saying you should quit making fire alarms, but it's just, at least go back to the 425120s. Please, Simplex. It's really irritating that this comes off. It's, you know what? Screw it. Hold on. Time for the big boy. And you see the push bar too, along with the push bar too. You see? Look at this. Look at this. It's cheap. It's bendy. It could break. It could break. It just could. It is possible. You know what? I'm not going to complain anymore. Finish him. Look at this T-bar. It's broken out. Every time the spring is loose, it falls down. That's how crappy it is. Jeez. Can a man get something he wants for once? Ugh. And put in the comments below if that's a relatable situation that you have, if you have a newer model Simplex T-bar, if the hinges have ever broken. But so yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool. Very, very, doesn't break easily. This screwdriver, it will take a lot of force to break. It would have to be like literally a bodybuilder using all her strength against metal. See, that's not broken. Sure, you can, but put like scratches in it. But I'm not gonna do it because I don't want to damage it and upset the company who made this. So yeah. So pretty cool, actually. And so yeah, here you go, fire alarmy. So here you go. Hold on. There you go, fire alarmy. I told you, and I proved it. Hyper tough. Yeah, this is the exact same he had. And I remember it. Because I've been watching that video over and over and over again. Wait, I just got a good idea. If I could make this like a stopper or something, like a fake stopper. Don't worry, when I'm done, I'll put all the tools back in. Of course I will. But United States, Canada, Mexico, Panama, Haiti, Jamaica, Peru, Republic Dominican, Cuba, Caribbean, Greenland, El Salvador, too, Puerto Rico, Colombia, Venezuela, Honduras, Guyana, and still Guatemala, Bolivia, then Argentina, and Ecuador, Chile, Brazil, Costa Rica, Belize, Nicaragua, Burma, Bahamas, Tobago, San Juan, Paraguay, Uruguay, Suriname, Paraguay, Uruguay, Suriname, Paraguay, Uruguay, Suriname, and French Guiana, Barbados, Guam, Northern Sweden, Iceland, Finland, Germany, now in one piece, Switzerland, Austria, Czechoslovakia, Italy, Turkey, and Greece, Poland, Romania, Scotland, Albania, Ireland, Russia, Oman, Bulgaria, Saudi Arabia, Hungary, Cyprus, Iraq, and Iran. There's Syria, Lebanon, Israel, Jordan, both Kuwait, and Bahrain, the Netherlands, Luxembourg, Belgium, and Portugal, France, England, Denmark, and Spain, India, Pakistan, Burma, Afghanistan, Thailand, Nepal, Bhutan, Cambodia, Malaysia, Bangladesh, Asia, and China, Korea, Japan, Mongolia, Laos, and Tibet, Indonesia, the Philippines, Islands, Taiwan, Sri Lanka, New Guinea, so much, New Zealand, and Borneo, Vietnam, Tunisia, Morocco, Uganda, Angola, Zimbabwe, Djibouti, Botswana, Mozambique, Zambia, Swaziland, Gambia, Guinea, Nigeria, Ghana, Rwanda, Lesotho, Malawi, Togo, Spanish, Sahara is gone. Now to Nigeria, Chad, Liberia, and Egypt, Guinea, Gabon, Tanzania, Somalia, Kenya, Mali, Sierra Leone, Nigeria, Dahomey, Namibia, Senegal, Libya, Cameroon, Congo, Zaire, Ethiopia, Guinea, Madagascar, one of my own, Cayman, and Kenya, Abu Dhabi, Qatar, Yugoslavia, Guatemala, Tabia, Transylvania, Monaco, Liechtenstein, Malta, and Palestine, Fiji, Australia. Crap. I is stupid. Maybe if they created smaller pole stations, I could probably be able to do it. But that's actually kind of. It's actually. Why am I saying actually so much? But I think it's because I'm stupid. But anyways, this is actually kind of like an STI stopper. I can't access it. What the heck? Okay, I can't do that either. Wait a minute. I know what I really could do instead of that stupid idea. Okay. How can I take this apart? How can I take this apart? How can I take this apart? Oh my gosh. You know what? I'm gonna try. If I can, I'm gonna try to. And I think there's something jiggling around in there anyway, so I'm gonna at least try to. You know what? I might have to pry it out with this. Sorry if this breaks. I'll be very